Welcome. If you're tired of constant notifications from Instagram about likes and comments, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step method to turn off those notifications so you can focus on what matters without the ping of every double tap. First, head to your phone's main settings. It might look different depending on whether you're using iOS or Android, but the path is the same idea. You're managing app-level alerts rather than digging through the Instagram app itself. Once you're in settings, locate and tap on apps or applications. This is where your phone lists every app that can send you notifications. Next, find Instagram in the list and select it. You'll be taken to a screen with options related to that app, including permissions and storage. Look for notifications. This is your control center for how Instagram can reach you with alerts. Tap on it to reveal the notification categories, which group alerts by type, such as likes, comments, direct messages, and more. Now, you'll see a breakdown of various notification categories. Scroll or look for the categories that mention likes and comments, especially those tied to posts that include you in them. You'll often see separate toggles for things like likes on your posts or comments on your posts. Find the category that covers likes and comments on photos of you or posts you're tagged in and toggle it off. If you want to be extra selective, you can turn off only the likes category and leave comments on, or vice versa, depending on what matters most to you. After you've made the switch, back out of settings and give it a quick test by having a friend like or comment on a photo of you. If you've disabled the right category, you shouldn't receive a new notification for that action. If one slips through, reopen the same settings area and double check that you've toggled the correct category. That's it. 3 simple moves that reclaim your attention. Open settings, go to apps, select Instagram and its notifications, then disable the likes and comments category. Quiet moments at last with control over what reaches you. If you want even more peace, consider setting a daily notifications window or using focus modes to tailor alerts to your routine.